I'll show you how to draw one-point perspective letter. You need paper, of course, ruler, pencil, and eraser. Okay, now it started with horizon line. We call it horizontal line. Draw it in the middle of your paper, and then decide which one is the middle. Now, or the vanishing point. I'll put the cross in the middle of the paper. Now, when you draw the letters in one-point perspective, you better start with draw shape. For example, square. Okay, it's up to you which square you will put. Now, I will spread the square so it will be the middle. Okay, here, the left and the right side. Okay, now, what is the idea of this shape is how to make you easy to make the block letter. Okay, I will start with letter A. Okay, see, I started at the top and in the corner of the square, so this is to make it easy to draw a block letter. Okay, another one is a bit tricky. It's the one with the curve, so it's R. Okay, started with R, curve, but you don't have to just outlining the top of the square. And then another one is a bit sharp, the letter R, T. Okay, now each corner of the letter, drag it to the vanishing point. 1, 2, okay, this one also drag it here, here, this one, okay, sorry, it's supposed to be here, this, you don't have to cross the letter, just here, and then the other side of the A, here. The unwanted line will be erased. Okay, if you're confused, I'm going to erase the line of the square. This. Same with the R. Now, because R is in the middle of the vanishing point, so we cannot see the left and the right side. So it's exactly in front of the vanishing point. Here. Okay, and then this curve, just do like this. And then another one, R, T. Okay, this corner, and then this is actually the bottom part of the T, and then this doesn't, you may across the letter or just stop until here, but you can also like this. Yeah, okay, now after it's done, you can trace the first line or the using marker, so you're not confused which one is the one that you will erase, which one the one that you will trace. So the first letter that you draw, you need to trace it with marker. It can be any color you like. Okay, I use blue marker. It's better use small marker. Okay, trace it. This one is a little bit fat, right? The letters. Okay, the R. And then I use another color, it's green. Okay, if you're wondering, blue, green, and purple, it's a cool color, it's even colors. Okay. Then we add another line. This is called parallel line. What is called parallel line? Because it's the second line after the letter. So it's this. Usually it's behind or at the bottom part here. This parallel letter line will be for creating the 3D of the letters here. And then this will be like this. Okay? Now, for the R, because this one is this part, sorry. It's not see the side, cannot be seen from the left and right side, so only from the front side. And then the T will be from here, this, and then going down here. Okay, so these are the parallel lines. I will trace again with marker so you will see clearly which part is the 3D of the letter. that's created by one-point perspective technique. So that will be the 3D, and then the other one is the R. Okay, that will be the 3D of the R. Okay, and then the other one is the T. This is the parallel line of the T. Okay, you may color the side and the front with color pencil later on. Now, if you want to make all the same letter, I mean, just become a word without give a space between the other letter, you can draw a rectangle and then divide it. How many letters that you want to draw? I will use 4 boxes then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this will be R, okay, and then the other one is O. This will be Artrum, and the other one M. I'll take it directly from the box, so I just trace it. Okay, now you can make also the letter become straight, or it's like a block letter. Okay, now drag it at all the corner to the vanishing point, but you better use ruler. I don't use ruler, I have to give a quick example, so I don't use ruler here. There. So this will be the parallel line, or the 3D part. Okay, Artrum, and this one also. Remember, the ones that exactly in front of the vanishing point, we cannot see the side, but the one is at the left or the right, we can see the side. I have to finish example here. There you go. Now, on your assignment, you can add anything at the empty space. You can add shape and become box, and then color with color pencil with gradient. It's up to you, as long as your name on the paper and using the one-point perspective. Okay? All right.